What you doing with your suitcase? What you doing? It's my suitcase. That's my suitcase. That's my suitcase. Where are you going with that suitcase, Bellamy's? Where are you going with that? Are you going on vacation? Or are you going to the gym? You going to the gym? Oh, you got your bunny. You got your hatchimal bunny and your suitcase. You're all set. Oh, you like that suitcase? Yes, you do. You like bags. Did you kill the squeaker yet? Oh, it still works. It's a good suitcase. That's mine. And mine. Oh, put your suitcase in the hatchimal thing. This thing's got a brown tail. Is it a bunny? Where's your bunny? You hatching it? Are you hatching your toy? You love bunnies, though. Aren't bunnies your favorite? Yeah. You hatching it? So excited. Now the suitcase wins. Little girl loves her suitcase.